Join Binance Live, build your own crypto live streaming ecosystem. The 26th of January 2022. 450 fellow Binancians. Binance Live is committed to building an all-new live streaming platform in the crypto space. On Binance Live, you can watch exclusive sessions from thought leaders in the crypto space, tune into professional investment analysis, and listen to lessons from industry leaders. You can also share your crypto investment experience with the audience anytime. Binance Live is looking for trailblazers who want to join us in building the crypto live streaming ecosystem. Don't miss out on this. Click to apply and become a Binance Live official partner. The mission of Binance Live to build a sustainable live streaming ecosystem on the leading crypto trading platform. To drive traffic to live streamers and increase their revenue. To provide crypto-related education, sharing and entertainment to the audience. Why Binance Live? With a great number of daily active users on Binance, Binance Live is the destination for crypto enthusiasts, who will then turn into viewers, followers, and revenue contributors for the live streamers. Live streamers will be able to generate crypto revenue by receiving virtual gifts, lower platform fees, and much higher live streaming revenue for the live streamers as compared to the traditional live streaming industry. The opportunity to become a megastar on the leading crypto trading platform for better exposure and higher revenue. Application requirements: a minimum of 15 live streaming days and 30 live streaming hours each calendar month. The live streaming should be chatting, gaming, or crypto-related lectures or guides. Proactive in interacting with viewers and followers. To encourage viewers to follow their accounts and turn on the notification settings to get the latest updates. To actively promote the live streaming sessions on their social media accounts. Terms and conditions: all gift revenue will be transferred into the Binance Live Reward Distribution Center and then be distributed directly into the live streamers' Binance wallets after settlement. Binance Live will contact the live streamers by email, promoting other exchanges, or specific cryptos, or any other acts violating laws and regulations are prohibited. All live streaming content should follow Binance terms of use and Binance Live community terms. Binance reserves the right of final interpretation. Risk warning: cryptocurrency trading is subject to high market risk. Please make your trades cautiously. You are advised that Binance is not responsible for your trading losses. Thanks for your support. Binance Team, the 26th of January 2022.